Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn about how to set Google Tag Manager ID. To set Google Tag Manager ID, click on the link provided in the tutorial or just search in your browser. Once you reach this page, you have to create new account. So click on Create Account and then add in your account name and country. After that, in the container setup section, add in your store link. We can copy the store link from here and then put it in this box. Take out the initial value and then select your target platform as web. After that, click on Create. Once you've reached this page, read the Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement and then click on the checkbox. After that, click on Yes. Now, your account has been created. So you can copy your Google Tag Manager ID from here and then go back to our web page and scroll down to the Tags and Pixels section. You can paste your Tag Manager ID here and then remove the initial GTM value since it's already been provided by the platform. Click anywhere on the page to save your changes. Your Google Tag Manager ID has been linked. Thank you.